Hi, I'm Steph Evans, and here's another course bite from our Intro to FEA with MSC Apex online course. Here we'll look at different FEA workflows, from building models for external FEA solvers, through to updating legacy FEA when no CAD data is available. FEA models can be built and analysed in the Apex environment, but they can also be exported in standard format for submittal to external solvers such as MSC Nastran, either for certification or to use a remote computing resource. In many instances, legacy FEA models will not have equivalent CAD available, so we'll show how they can be updated using Mesh to CAD workflows. You'll be able to recreate geometry and update model architecture very easily. Remember, we've got free trials of all our courses, and there are free versions of Apex to allow you to follow the tutorials at your own pace. Just follow the link to see a full list of our courses, and we hope to see you on a course really soon.